The site that you see here is relatively large. If we use the distance command and measure from one side to the other, you can see it's maybe 80, 90 meters in that direction and a similar distance in this direction. When you have a site as large as that, you often need to refer to particular parts of the design in documentation that goes with the design. And for that, we've provided a grid tool, and it's found on the tools menu. So we can say insert grid lines, and we can say, well, we'll have, say, 10 horizontal and 10 vertical lines. The grid spacing might be at 10 meter intervals. Remember, gCAdPlus works in millimeters as a default, so that 10,000 is 10 meters. And we'll make the text size 700 millimeters. We'll put labels between the grid lines. So if we say OK, you'll see a box highlights. So I can set that box up over the zone of the site that I want, and the grid is drawn. And the grid is automatically labelled, so A, B, C, D, E, and so on across there, and then down here, 1, 2, 3. So we can refer to any item in the plan. This will be a design for a fire area. There'll be a fireplace in the centre and seating mounds around it, so that can be referred to as D3 or D4 to locate it. So that system, I'll just escape from the grid command, that system, putting a grid down like that, is a very effective way when you're dealing with a large site of referring to special zones within the site. The grid, of course, is on its own layer and it can be turned on or off as needed.